Hey, what's up guys, Anmol here. Hope everyone's doing well, and today we have a Note. Well, not this one. It's a Note 9. So this is the Galaxy Note 9. The box looks premium as always. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 with 128GB memory. We have 8 megapixel selfie camera, dual 12 megapixel camera, iris scanner, S Pen with remote control, 6GB RAM, stereo speakers tuned by AKZ, earphones, 4000 mAh battery, wireless charging, and IP68 water and dust resistant. So let's open the box now. Galaxy Note 9. So what do we have here? We have a SIM ejector, and we have a TPU case, a quick start guide. So let's keep this aside. And there you go, the Galaxy Note 9. So we'll boot off the phone for now, and let's see what else is inside the box. So we have a USB connector. Then we have a fast charger. This is a 9 volt 1.6 ampere or 5 volt 2 amp charger. Then we have a AKZ earphone. So this is kind of a premium earphone, not that premium, but mid-range kind of premium earphone. Then we have a USB Type-C cable, some extra silicone ear tips, and S Pen tip ejecting tool. We don't want to insert the SIM card right now. Now hit continue, try it out. Okay, we're trying out. Toss the fingerprint sensor. Okay, good job. So there you go, this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and the experience UI on the Note 9. So let's just check about phone. So the model number is SM960F. We have Android version 8.1 with Samsung Experience UI version 9.5. And it has the security patch level of June 1, but it should get the security patch level of August as the S9 Plus already has it. So do we have an S9 Plus with us right now? I guess we do. Okay, there you go, the S9 Plus. So let's see how it compares to the S9 Plus. Fingerprint scanner. Ta-da. Okay, so there you go. The Note 9 looks more boxy than the S9 Plus, and it has a bigger screen, of course. And on the back, the S9 Plus has a better fingerprint scanner placement than the Note 9. The button placements are the same. We have a power button on the right, and then we have the volume button on the same sides, and this Bixby button. Similar thing on the top, similar thing on the bottom, but exception is the S Pen. So there you go, the S Pen. Let's create note. Let's take picture with the S Pen. So there you have it guys, unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. We'll be testing this device thoroughly, so if you want to know anything about this device, do mention it in the comments below. So until next time, namaste.